Joining us at the Step Up Expo this summer, this video will show you how to get the most out of the event with Unifrog's personalised itinerary and some top tips to make your way around the expo on the day. First of all, once you or your school have signed up to the expo, take our 2-minute questionnaire, which you can find at the top of your homepage when you log into Unifrog. We'll ask you things like what careers or subject areas you're interested in, what school you go to, and what day you'll be joining us at the expo. Once you've submitted the questionnaire, we'll send you an email with your personalised itinerary. This will give you suggestions for which talks to attend and ideas of questions to ask the colleges, employers, and universities to get the most useful information from them. It's as easy as that. Now all that's left to do is get ready for the big day with our top tips. Tip number 1, take the interests, personality, work environment, and skills quizzes on Unifrog to give you an idea of the types of careers and subject areas you'd be interested in and well suited to. Use your matches and your personalised itinerary to work out which exhibitors you're going to visit and think about what you want to ask them. It's all well and good getting some freebies, but make sure you also talk to the people at each stand to learn more about what they do and to see if it's something you might like to do when you finish school. Ask them things like how they got into their jobs, what you could expect to earn at their company, or what student life is like at their university. And tip number 2, plan for some rest time. While your time at the event is limited, try not to squeeze too much in, or you might find yourself drifting off in that 4 p.m. talk you've been waiting all day for. Give yourself some time in your schedule to have a break, meet up with your friends, and even make some new ones. The more prepared you are for the day, the less likely you are to feel tired or overwhelmed by everything going on, and you'll feel like you've really got something from coming to Step Up. And don't forget to come and say hi to us at the Unifrog stand. We can't wait to see you there.